Budgeting in college isn't just a suggestion, it's a survival skill that will impact your financial future. Many students underestimate the importance of budgeting, focusing on day-to-day expenses without a broader financial strategy. College is often the first time you're financially independent, managing everything from rent to groceries, tuition, and textbooks. Without a solid plan, it's easy to accumulate debt that follows you long after graduation. Mastering the art of budgeting in college sets you up for long-term financial stability. Understanding your financial landscape is the foundation of any budget. Identify your income sources, which may include part-time jobs, scholarships, grants, student loans, and family support. Tracking your expenses is crucial, as many students underestimate how much they spend each month. Fixed expenses like rent, utilities, tuition, and health insurance are non-negotiable and must be prioritized. Variable expenses such as groceries, transportation, and entertainment can be managed with spending limits. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to automate your expense tracking and get a real-time snapshot of your finances. Building a realistic budget means balancing your needs and wants, ensuring you cover essentials and plan for the future. Start by allocating money to your fixed costs to avoid losing housing or falling behind on debt. Set spending limits on variable costs to avoid overspending and create room for savings or unexpected expenses. Creating an emergency fund is critical to handle unexpected expenses without derailing your budget. Maximize student discounts and free resources to drastically reduce your overall expenses. Take advantage of tech and software discounts, entertainment deals, and travel savings available to students. Utilize free campus resources like the gym, library, career services, and mental health support. Minimize debt by borrowing only what you need and exploring alternatives to loans. Avoid credit card debt by using credit responsibly and limiting its use for non-essential purchases. Explore work-study programs, grants, and scholarships to fund your education without excessive debt. Develop smart saving habits by starting with small, consistent savings goals. Use high-yield savings accounts to grow your money faster, even with small contributions. Build long-term savings for after college, focusing on an emergency fund and retirement savings. The power of compounding interest means the earlier you start saving, the more your money grows over time. Regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure it remains effective and aligned with your financial goals. Monthly budget check-ins help you identify areas for improvement and track progress on financial goals. Annual budget overhauls are necessary when major life events impact your financial situation. Budgeting during college is just the beginning of a lifelong journey toward financial success. By understanding your income and expenses, creating a realistic budget, and minimizing debt, you set yourself up for financial independence. Stay disciplined, flexible, and proactive with your finances to reap the rewards of financial freedom. The skills you develop now will continue to serve you through different stages of life, ensuring long-term financial stability. Ready to take control of your finances? Start applying these tips today. Download a budgeting app, review your expenses, and set your financial goals. If you are interested in becoming financially free and gain valuable financial knowledge, head over to my blog website, Finance Over Everything. The URL is in the video description below. The habits you build now will support your future financial success. Don't wait, take charge of your financial well-being today.